区分所有オフィスの
Vortex.
This time, we will introduce you to Dougenzaka and its surrounding area, where two office buildings owned by Vortex, VORT Shibuya Dogenzaka and VORT Shibuya Dogenzaka II, are located. The Dougenzaka area is from the Shibuya Scramble crossing to the top of Dougenzaka. This area is commonly called Shibuya in Japan. While Shibuya is a popular destination for young people, it is also one of Tokyo's most prominent business districts, with the headquarters of many global companies, such as Google, ByteDance, which operates TikTok. Now, let's take a look at the streets. Dougenzaka is a slope running from the Shibuya Scramble crossing toward Meguro. Since the birth of Shibuya 109 in 1974, the area has developed as a center for the latest fashion trends. Lined with restaurants popular among young people, it attracts many people, day and night. Shibuya Shokudo Ventuno Tokyo. This restaurant with a nostalgic atmosphere was initially founded in 1926 in front of the Scramble crossing, the Shibuya Shokudo. In the restaurant, you can see photos that show the streets of Shibuya at that time. The signature dish of this restaurant is the lamb hamburger steak. The hamburgers made by the talented chef are superb. The chef honed his skills in French cuisine. The restaurant is also committed to using only the finest ingredients. Vegetables are made from pesticide-free vegetables, while dressings are also handmade. Visit this restaurant at least once when you come to Shibuya. Hyakkendana. Hyakkendana is a town on the way up to Dougenzaka, created as a result of reconstruction after the Great Kanto earthquake. It is an area where the nostalgic adult atmosphere of the Showa period and today's new culture intersect. It can be called the origin of Shibuya. Chiyoda Inari Shrine. Prosperity in business. Chiyoda Inari Shrine has existed since 1457, and it has an ancient and honorable origin. Once you enter the shrine grounds, you will be surrounded by a sacred atmosphere, almost forgetting you are in the middle of the city. The shrine is dedicated to the god of prosperous business, so be sure to visit. In addition, there are many other attractive places in the area, such as Shibuniwa, where you can enjoy the night view of Shibuya. Shibuya Hikarie, offering an abundance of shopping, and the renewed underground shopping mall, Shibuchika. How do you like Dougenzaka? Shibuya and Dougenzaka are booming as both office districts and trendy areas. Please visit Dougenzaka when you come to Japan. See you again in the next town.